ka sa Regal. Dito ka talaga.
Yes po. Actually, si Tito Dondon at si Direk Eric talaga po yung nagbigay sa akin ng mga opportunities to start talaga. So, forever thankful for them.
First movie mo sa kanila?
Yes po. Co-prod ng Reality and Regal.
Okay. Ano nga uli yun yung...
A Girl and a Guy.
And then, nasundan pa marami ka na dito. Nakailan ka na dito?
Pangalawa ko pa lang po, yung Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Okay.
Pero, sana magkaroon pa tayo more.
Ikaw ba yung
yung
parang unikli yung role mo?
Parang may mga role.
Yeah, announced na movie na part.
Ikaw ba yung sinasabi lang parang may pinaikli ang role sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll?
Pinaikli? I think may may na-changes lang sa script, but I don't know if sana naman
hindi. Ganung intriga eh.
Kumusta na yung career mo ngayon? Kumusta yung buhay mo? Kumusta ka ngayon?
It's great. I just shot a movie in Taiwan with sila Enrique Hill. So that's
Film Fest entry.
Yeah, that's a really big game changer. First time ko mag-shoot in a different country
with Jane De Leon.
Yeah, MJ.
Sa Regal.
Yes.
Haunted
Hospital. Strange Frequencies.
Okay. So ang role mo ron, kung pwede na sabihin. Pero malaking role.
Yes. I think so. It's fair. Good delivery, I think. Hopefully.
Natapos na yung shoot.
Mag-extend pa po kami. Nag-shoot pa kami dito and there.
Kasi hindi naman kayo naghahabulan ng deadline.
Yeah. But it's December pa daw po eh. But it's my first MMFF, so I'm very excited.
Pero parang ang December, may mga mga memories ang December. Naalala namin, birthday ng anak mo, di ba, ng daughter mo, December.
Yeah, yes. Actually, yes, true. December 5th.
Oo, di ba? Makasaysayang.
Makasaysayang mga months, no?
Pero okay ka na ngayon, Rob? Okay.
I think so. I think everything's going well, better than we expected. Life goes on, so we have to keep on moving too.
So, kumusta yung puso mo specifically?
Ay, ano po?
Punong-puno. Tumitibok pero
naghihingalo. Joke. Ano po? Hindi naman. Paano ba? It's still longing for my daughter. Siyempre po, miss ko yung anak ko.
Hanggang ngayon pa rin?
Opo. Inaano natin, inaayos pa natin yan. At pinagdadasal natin ng lahat ng mga kaya natin.
Wala na kayong communication na Herlene?
Wala.
Hindi ko kayo Herlene.
Hindi. We're just friends. We're good friends. I just, siyempre.
Hanggang friends lang talaga yung nabagitan.
Sobrang friends lang.
Walang, kahit friends naman pwede naman, di ba?
Wow! Yun daw nagsisimula yung mga...
Ganun ka ba?
Oo!
May sanaw sa mga tanong natin. Pilit ba? Pero
hindi, kasi dun sa Magandang Dilag, di ba?
Yeah. Parang
muntik-muntikan na talaga kayo.
Hoping pa na magka-sequel yun, magka-part 2.
Sayang nga po eh. Ganda sana may part 2, no? Pero
bagay pa naman kayo.
Naku.
Ayaw mo na sa kanya?
Wala naman pong ganun.
Wala. Hindi na kayo nagkikita? As in parang friends na?
No. Siyempre, we have to respect their privacies also. And we don't want to add more commotion or whatever. So, sa akin na lang yun.
Pero kasi yung mga medyo na issue kayo noon, medyo na dahil parang tumaas yung
mas naging desirable siya.
Hindi naman parang hindi naman.
Parang lumakas yung dating mo talaga, Rob.
Parang hindi naman may damages siya. May good things came out of it. Now I can play dad roles, which is pretty cool. Ilang beses ko na din siya nagawa for like a few episodes, which is actually a door opening, another opportunity, another role, another.
Pero siyempre namin nainggit sa'yo nung time na yun eh.
Nainggit?
Oo, parang pala, beauty queen.
Wow!
Magandang
beauty queen killer.
Beauty queen killer pala. Siyempre maraming na-curious sa'yo nung nalaman yun, di ba? Ano bang meron si Rob at parang ang daming nalilink na beauty queen?
Ano ba yung meron? I don't know. What you see is what you get.
Post.
Ano reaction mo nung lumabas yung kanta na ang kumanta na si Wilbert, yung manager dati ni Ernie?
Thank you.
Kain tayo. Napakinggan mo ba?
Hindi po. Ano ba yung kanta?
Kain tayo. Inspired.
Isang beses.
Natawa ka?
Yes, actually, it's something. Something good came out of it. They had an
Novelty
idea.
song naman.
They had an idea. They made a song. They made a jingle out of it. It's all fun and games now. Tatawanan na lang natin, di ba? It's
Pero
all.
marami
it's
bang
all part of
nagyayang
history.
kumain? Sa'yo ng tayo. I mean, syempre, di yung mga magme-message sa'yo, nakain tayo, or...
But actually, hanggang ngayon po, meron pa din.
So,
It's funny. I laugh with them. Like right now, it's a laughing matter to me na lang.
hindi na siya...
Hindi siya dapat talaga maka-apekto sa atin because we're aiming for something bigger, you know? I am bigger than this issue, or I'm bigger than those problems, and I'm here right now celebrating Regal's 60th kasi we're gonna make history. I am here to make history.
So hindi ka naman nagkaroon ng para mga mental health problem?
Paano ba natin sasabihin? I will not say na I would say na don't play with people who are experiencing those kinds of depressions and anxiety, because it's real guys, it's real, and we have to take care. Pag yung mga lalaki, guys, boys, you just talk to your friends, family, and just be you know. It's not easy, but you will get through it. Everything's gonna be fine.
Nga ngayon, na-overcome mo na yung gano'n.
I think so.
Kasi
I
parang
think
may feeling ka na parang katapusan na ng career mo siguro yung time na yun.
It came to mind. Pero na-realize ko po na hindi naman siya makakasira talaga. Hopefully. And hindi natin alam yung inahawak ng future, but I'm praying for the best, honestly.
Pero ngayon ba, sinong gusto mong yayain? Gusto mong yayain kumain?
Kumain?
And then, I mean,
Anong gusto mong kainin din?
siyempre part ng pelikula kung gusto mo lang. Kung gusto mag-promote.
Gusto ko ng Taiwanese food. Din Tai Fung. Namiss ko po yung Din Tai Fung kasi kumain kami dun ilang beses.
At sino ba partner mo doon sa movie?
Secret!
Hindi, para at least yung yayain mo kumain.
Si Jane o si
Jane,
Alexa?
Secret.
Si Alexa, di ba?
Hindi natin yata pwede pa para may surprise. But we don't know. Mali mo si MJ, di ba?
Yun nga. So,
Mali mo si Raf Pineda.
Beauty queen na naman si MJ.
Diba?
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Hindi po.
Naging close ba kina MJ dun sa time?
MJ has been a really great friend, and pareho po kami ng managers, Tito Don. So, she's been a really smart mind to talk to.
So, nag-dinner naman kayo doon? Kumain kayo doon sa
sabay-sabay kami lahat. Yeah, sabay-sabay kami lahat. Madami kami.
Mahilig ka bang kumain ng hipon?
Natanong na po yan, hindi ko masyado. Ay!
Siya rin natin nagtatanong.
Hindi ako.
Hindi po masyado.
Hanggang ngayon.
I would prefer crab. I would prefer crab or lobster or steak. Sisig.
Maraming crab mentality niya.
Steak na lang. Huwag tayo dun sa delikado tayo dun sa isa pala. Pero,
Buti hindi ka allergic sa seafood.
hindi naman. I actually like seafood. I love seafood.
Pinapawisan lang siya.
Mainit. Alam mo, pawisan talaga
Ang dami
tayo.
mong nakakain na seafood, syempre.
nag-workout
Especially
ako,
spicy, no? Or,
Yeah. I love spicy food. I love Thai food, which is spicy also.
Ano na?
Ayoko na. Masaya na ako ron.
May mas maganda pa. May tanong pa dyan.
Shy ako eh.
Pero nung time na yun na parang
Si Don
siyempre
Don
nasa
dumaan.
intriga talaga, nasa paano mo na-handle yun talaga?
Hello.
Hello po.
Ama, ang ama ko po. Just finishing this.
Kasi kahit pamilya siguro na-apektuhan that time eh.
Yes, it was a tough time. It was the first time po natin ma-experience yung ganun. And hopefully, wala na ganun in the future. And then again, my family was there to support me, and they know what I'm about. They know it's not true. They know I wouldn't be able to do such a thing. And sobrang loss sa amin yung nangyari. We miss Amelia so much. Lahat kami, my lola, yung great lola na anak ko, miss na siya. So, I'm just really doing everything I can para maayos na in legal ways ngayon. And that's why I do the interviews also po, honestly. Kasi I leave a thread for my daughter to see one day when she's older.
Okay.
I'll never forget it.
Dapat
I'll
mabasa
never
na
forget it.
ng anak mo yun.
I will never forget it. Kaya ko po lahat tinatanggap. And syempre, sabi naman, pwede ako wag magpa-interview, but I'd rather talk to you guys, you know? At least, hindi po kasi ako masalita masyado. I'm not an angry person, so it takes a lot to trigger me. I guess this is a chance for me to say what I have to say, even though hindi ko masabi lahat. Yun lang.
So, gano'ng katagal na ba na hindi nakikita?
Nung anak ko po,
Para lang alam namin.
ever since December 19
Asa
or 20 pala ng madaling araw.
Go 1 year.
mag 1 year na din. Ang tagal na nga.
Sana hindi umabot doon. Sana po hindi umabot doon. Pinapamadali ko na silang lahat.
Ayan.
Pero hindi naman natin mamadali kasi may process talaga. Proseso, pero nagpapatulong na din ako. Pero hintayin natin.
Pero anong message mo sa anak mo?
I love you, anak. Sobra. I miss you so much. I'm doing this everything's for you. Everything's for you. Even yung mga na misconceptualized na answers ko before, all of those were decided based on the idea na may plano ako eh. I had a plan. I entered showbiz late. I had a plan and we wanted to grow as fast and high maybe siguro. But hindi lang umabot.
Thank you.